In this lesson, we'll add follow-through to the forearms. This is actually going to be really simple to do. Let's go ahead and show our controls, and we'll start on the right side. So a few frames after frame 1, as the arm is pulling back for follow-through, we're going to want the forearm to rotate upward. It's kind of folding in a bit. Great. And then considering the force as the arm starts to swing forward, so you can see it's moving back, and now as it starts to move forward, on around 11, we're going to want to rotate the forearm down, not much. Remember, for a more exaggerated run, we can push these poses a bit further, but since this is a pretty standard run, the arm is going to stay pretty tight. Okay, so now we can go ahead and play this back, take a look. So we're getting some great results here. Let's go ahead and clean this up via the graph editor. So we'll go to our rotate Y, frame it up. Let's go ahead and take a look at our infinite curve. We'll grab the keys on 1 and 15. Press the W key. Let's hold down Shift and drag upward with the middle mouse button, and now we can start to adjust our tangents. Beautiful. All right, so transferring this to the opposite side is a cinch. Let's start with the key we've placed on 3. Heading over there, we'll go ahead and copy the value. And we know that this needs to be transferred to frame 10 on the left arm. So we'll go ahead and select the left forearm, go to frame 10, paste the value, and remember we're using the reciprocal here, so that's going to be negative 117. Let's go back to the right forearm and grab the keyframe on 11. Go ahead and copy that value. It's actually right here. Taking a look at the value field. Just go ahead and copy that. We'll move over back to the left forearm, and since that was on 11, we need to transfer that value to 4. Let's go ahead and paste, use the reciprocal, and now we're good to go on 4 and 10. But we still need some work to be done on this function curve. What we now need to do is figure out the values we'll need for 1 and 15. So this is actually really simple. Again, let's go back to the right forearm and we'll go to frame 8. Let's go ahead and copy the value we see here of about 95. We'll now go to our left forearm, grab the keys on 1 and 15, and paste that value. So it's going to be negative 95. And there we have it. We have this in-between key here on 8 that we can remove. And now we can clean up our tangents. And there we go. Awesome. So in no time at all, we have added follow-through to the forearms. Great stuff. Really exciting. All right, let's say we go ahead and move to the next lesson to add some follow-through to the wrists. We'll also look for any other areas to clean up. And that will be it for our run cycle. And then, again, in the next lesson, we'll learn how to translate it forward.